another video. I am just kind of a random video. I'm about to go through stuff and get ready for a live sale. Some stuff, well, most of the stuff is already on my website, but I want to get it all out, take a picture, and post an event for Facebook. I'll be doing that Saturday night. And yeah, just wanted to film what I was doing because I wasn't able to do the other content I wanted. And I'm probably gonna take a couple things off in the porch, or on the porch, whatever. And yeah, it's already 5 o'clock.
Yes, good for me.
But I did some other things. I posted a Reels earlier. I'll show you what I did on there. It was just like a, it's like it's like a board that I'm doing for my sister-in-law. I did some of it on my live in the creative group, and I wanted to add some more to it. Give it a little zing zang. So yeah, you're just gonna pretty much watch me get organized for some things, clean maybe, and go get dinner. But that's about it. But I thought I'd bring you along with me. This won't be a vlog style every video, just so you know, but I am trying to do these when I can. So let's get to work because I really need to. Hello, girl. Oh, the flash is in your eyes. I'm sorry. You came in to look for her, and she was cuddling. She gets in the bed, and she just goes to sleep on her own. She's 11 years old, so she sleeps a lot more now. Isn't that right, sweetie Snookum? I wish your eyes weren't like that with the camera, but they wouldn't be able to see you. This sweet girl. Mommy's gonna go clean, okay? Okay. I'm laying all awkward with her. Alright, you take a nap while Mommy goes and cleans stuff up to get this live still organized. Alright? Good girl.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
Okay, so I'm gonna use this Brillo pad. This ate up the paint because it's one of those like fold-out tables, and really ate it up. Even the DIY paint that activates with water. So I put some baking soda on it for a light abrasive, and baking soda works. I'm gonna use this walnut scrub. Hopefully I don't shred the tabletop. I don't know, but and I just used some Mrs. Meyer soap, spray. Not sponsored. So.
Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
Oops. Now let's try to rinse it off. First I'm gonna wipe it back, then I'm gonna rinse it. There's a lot of cleaner. See, look. Oops. I'll be back in a minute. Okay. All right, so I got these at my local Kroger. They're supposed to be the same size. Yeah. So we're gonna go switch these out. I'm not putting anything in them today. I'll probably do it on another vlog. Unless I dedicate a whole one to me and my mom doing the porch. But this is it so far, and I gotta take the wreath off. Oh yeah, I got these for $8.69 on clearance, and they were $16.09. So about 50% off. I really hit up the clearance section at my Kroger. They have a lot of home decor and stuff. I showed you in my last vlog. No, it's shedding so bad right now, it's gross. But let's see if these fit on the hooks. If not, we're gonna have to put up new hooks on the window. Some of you have seen the porch before, but this is what it's looking like. I've got to rip these up. Something's coming back up. I don't know what though. I don't remember what I had last year. Those might be growing back. This I need to go ahead and pull out. And something over here, this little thing I hope grows back because it's like really airy. This is gonna come out though. And I'll have my mama help with those things. And, ooh, that got a big root. I'll just lay that there for now because that's how I do. See, oh, so it is one of the plants that's trying to come up. Come on, buddy. You got it. Go back. All right, eventually we hope to get this on the back porch, but I need to remove this and that wreath. Found this at Goodwill. I think the tax on it, $7.99 last fall, I think it was. And I got this from somebody's trash. I took apart the headboard on the others. This is like broken, but I can glue it. But honestly, it's gonna probably get a big terracotta pot on it. And I kind of like the two-tone, it's not bothering me. And it matches this, so this area will be more of a, what would you call it? More modern vintage instead of just vintage. So let's replace these. See if it works.
That just broke it.
So that will be filled with some sort of greenery. Now I need to take off this wreath or y'all are gonna fall. We're crooked, that's what we're doing. Let's see. Definitely don't need, I'm gonna leave the whole wreath up here because what I might do is end up either using this, but I kind of want to do a beaded wreath. I don't know, that's why I haven't done it yet. So let's just go ahead and take this stuff out for the winter. It's a good thing if you use other things instead of this, or glue. No, this is a cheap, wonky thing. Plus I had it on, what's it called? That broken cheap. Sorry, I just can't show you the house number. If you can use ties or things like that and then twist it and put it in your wreath, you can use the same wreath all year round. Just bag up if you want to do the same next year, like in the next holiday or season, and then just do that. Put it in a bag or in a box, a little tote. Then you know we can rearrange it or do the same way. Take a picture if you need to remember what it looks like. See, I have one of those little pipe cleaners on it, so I could just take it off and I wouldn't rip it. It's really plain right now out here, but at least we're getting something done. Okay, you can't see the numbers, but it's something just loose and cute, and then that'll go well with that because that's like an off-white. Here they are up close. Yeah, and then I'll be redoing all this over here, be doing some stuff down here, hang something off here, maybe a basket. But oh, and this area was so cute during the fall. That's a lid to one of the rest tins that I stenciled, look, on one of my first videos. I can link it down below. Even though it's not fall, you can still get ideas for your porch. Replace that. I'm thinking about putting garden stuff here, like cutesy. This is all the, like, the community I'm in, so I can't change that, but those will get replanted. Have the little black table set, black. So yep, not super modern, but I don't want it too modern, but in farmhouse enough, you know what I mean? All right, got most of this cleaned off, still got some on there. It's drying a little bit. I'm gonna set up right here and take the picture, but now I have to order our food, right, Nana? And then I will do that. See how this is so ruined. But it was a really cheap rug, so I gotta get a new one soon. But for now, it'll do. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be hard to see. But look at that big cloud. It's so crazy how different it is on camera, the way it's glowing. How flippin' cool. I haven't seen any big ones like that yet, but like the light is glowing like crazy. It doesn't even look like that in person. When I was little, I used to think about angels being up in the clouds hanging out, or guides, or whoever, just people and angels hanging out on a fluffy cloud. But enough about that. Sorry if you hear them up there yelling. I'm watching YouTube. I think I'm gonna use this. It's actually just a full piece of fabric, but I use it as like a throw. It's so soft. It's not been sewn, It's literally some extra I got probably at Walmart or Joann's. I'm gonna put it on this table back here, and I'm just gonna set a few things up. This is just a picture to kind of show what I'm doing. Probably not gonna I'm not gonna freak out too much over it, or else I'll be here all night. I'm gonna try to keep it under 25 items so I don't lose my mind. And then, yeah. So I'll let you watch me. I'm gonna watch a little bit of YouTubes. And yeah, if I have anything to say, I'll probably do a voiceover, or I'll stop and tell you. So let's get to it. Excuse me, Mama.
Hey, what's he doing?
Take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Oh, how I love when it rains outside. And it's okay to slow the ride. Discover books
I'm running out of room.
care for the world now. Rest with me. Close the curtains. Brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me. Take my hand and lead even when I disagree.
All right, so here is what we have. Some of the stuff is already up on the website. There'll be a few other things on there as well, but this is the main deal. I can't believe these haven't gone yet. These aren't coming with greenery, but I might leave them. I might do it. But for the price, because it's both of these for 14 something. And then that silver platter goes with these. I just went to it because it says silver, but I'm not really sure. I love that. It's hard not to keep. That's so cute for baby. And yeah, I love this. It's got the turkey on it, but you can't really tell from farther away. Look at my Instagram, you'll see where I had it. But yeah, I'm digging it. Taking a picture and then posting it online. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. It's after 9 o'clock at night. Oh, I've got to get things done earlier in the day. I'm working on my time management, but you know, we're getting there. So I'm just happy to have up 2 videos this week. Don't forget tomorrow, Saturday night, 8 p.m. over on my Facebook and Grab It From homepage. We'll be doing the live sale with all the things back here. So do not forget, just come and hang out. If you don't want to buy anything, just come hang out and get some ideas. Whatever suits you best, but I would really appreciate it. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring that bell. It's so easy and so quick, and it's free. So make sure you do that. Trying to get to 500 before my birthday on April 30th. And I have a home series episode coming up mid to late April, and that one's going to be really fun. It's going to be redoing a small space in my home, and we're going to do some cool stuff. So please make sure you're subscribed. I love you guys. Remember, all great things come to you now, but replace you with me, because you want to say that to yourself every morning. You're amazing, beautiful, stay positive, be thankful and grateful every day, and I will see you all in the next video. Love you so much. Bye.